In order to proofread a manuscript by downloading its PDF or by using WYSIWYG, PageMagic's online proofreading interface, you would need to do two actions. Generate InDesign from the XHTML file, and then generate proof. The action Create INDD and PDF is a two-in-one action that first generates an InDesign file from the XHTML file and then automatically creates a PDF and XHTML output in the Review tab for proofreading. This action can be triggered only from XHTML files and not from Microsoft Word files. If you have uploaded the manuscript files as doc files, please download them, open them in Microsoft Word, save them as docx files and re-upload them. Please do not rename them as docx. Once this is done, complete the Actions Style Finder and generate XHTML. In some cases, when the Actions Style Finder is selected, PageMagic will automatically convert the files to XHTML. You are now ready to trigger the action Create INDD and PDF. To trigger the action from the Chapters screen, single-click on a chapter and select from the options provided. To trigger the same action from the tab view, double-click on the chapter to go to the tab view. Select the arrow against the XHTML file and select from the options provided. On triggering the action, you will get a pop-up requiring template selection. If there is only one template, it will be automatically selected. Click on Continue. A second pop-up will display the proof round and preset options. InDesign template, round and preset options, all three are customizable for a site. Choose Final Round if a book has already been finalized. You can click the template action here to go back to the previous pane if you want to choose a different template option. Select the relevant options and then click on Proceed to initiate the action. A lock will be placed on the file till the action is completed. If you have triggered the action by mistake, you can single-click on the file and choose from the selection to cancel. Notification will be received for queued, in progress and completion of the action. When the action is completed, an InDesign file will be placed under the InDesign tab and PDF and XHTML files will be placed under the Review tab. You can use the sequence page to trigger the action for multiple files simultaneously. To access the sequence page, single-click on the hamburger icon in the Chapters screen and choose Sequence from the options displayed. Enter the start page number in the custom column and the number type, which is either Roman or Arabic. Select multiple files, click the yellow arrow and choose from the options. A pop-up would be triggered for missing XHTML files if any. You can choose to cancel the action and generate XHTML files first, or proceed. When the action is triggered from the sequence page, an additional Execute TOC option will be displayed in Round and Preset pop-up that can be enabled for automatic update of the TOC file as well during the proof generation process. A gray lock indicates files selected for batch run. A process icon against a file indicates that it is the file currently in process. Notification will be received for queued, in progress and completion of each individual file and the batch run. The automatically generated table of contents will be available in the front matter. Do remember to generate InDesign and proof of this TOC file whenever there is a change in pagination. A PDF and an editable version of the PDF will be created in the Review tab. This can next be reviewed online using WYSIWYG, PageMagic's online proofing interface.